Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I have found a solution to the bird nest stitches that at the bottom it just gets clamped up, and the machine that I'm using is a Singer heavy duty, and it's model number 4452. They're all kind of similar with a little bit variation, but here we go. This is the solution to your bird nest and to get proper stitching. So the first thing you want to do, you will have 3 dials at the top. Those 3 dials, make sure the first one, the very first one to your right side is on 0. The second one that goes in the middle, the needle position, make sure that it points to the center one. And then the one to your left, put it on 4. For threading, if you don't know anything about threading, I'll make another video on threading, but it's pretty self-directed and it has numbers. So if you follow 1 to 2, come back down to 3 and loop it up and go at the bottom to the needle, it worked just fine. Now it comes, I didn't realize that this right here is a drawer to put your stuff in, and it came with this tool right here. This is for opening perfectly those screws should you need to open those. Now let's go to the issue that causes the bird nest. So if you have your dials right, and they're all in that position, and it doesn't matter if it switches, you can tune them back in and just put them back to that position. It works best. And oh yeah, the length, you want to put it on 3. 4 works just as well. It's just smaller with 3, and then 4 will be a little bit larger than the 3. And then you want to put the one at the bottom, of course, unless you want zigzag, you want to have them on that straight lines. So then bobbins, I was buying them, you know, whatever that I could find that was cheaper, and at some point I lost my metal ones, and so I was using the plastic ones, which I didn't see or realize there was any difference. But this machine right here doesn't go well with the plastic ones. That's why you're getting the bird nest. If you switch over to the metal ones, your bird nest stitching will go away and your problem will be completely solved. I hope this helps and you're not having any problems. Send me any questions, or if you found any other solution or ideas to share, I'll be glad to learn, because this was really giving me a hard time and I couldn't figure out why. And then to have it serviced for somebody to just take a look, it costs anywhere from $75 to $150 just to diagnose and tell you what's wrong with it. And the longer they keep it, the more expensive it gets, and the more time you're going to be away from finishing your projects. Okay, that's it. I hope that works.